All right, child. Yeah, I know what's going on. I'm back. All right, so apparently, may have happened, may have gotten crossed up or whatever with the kids. I had to go in the house to check on the kids and see what the heck my son had on his burrito. So yeah, crossed up with the bag. So I'm glad I didn't want to have to go down there because the lady already said that, well, she was out of beef, so I couldn't understand, you know. But I still don't understand how I got beef because that's the first one that I bought. I had to go back for his, so she ended up getting this one right and still got that one wrong. But my son loved beef anyway, and she said she was out, so look at God. Yeah, I tell you, I promise, I do not have a reason. I'm not allowed to get upset about nothing. Everything just works out right now. I have no idea what's happening, but strange. Anyway, that's why I'm out here doing these reviews, because I ain't got time to do nothing but just be involved now. I guess. I don't. I mean, I'm a catch me outside type of person, man. I don't really do the internet. I really don't. But here I am doing the internet. So I'm gonna bite it without anything, because he done already bit one side of the child. I don't want you to see all that. Y'all already know the burrito is huge. I'm just gonna try to bite what I can bite. See it? Fries in the burger. Never heard of it. In the burger, I said, huh? Burrito. In the burrito, goddamn. In the goddamn burrito. Wow. That's new. You got cheese, you got tomatoes, lettuce, everything wrapped up in that thing. Oh yeah. Yo, with some of this, and some of this, and some of this. Wait a minute. Ooh, powerful combination. I just know it. Powerful combination. I just know it. We're finna see. Yup. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. If they don't get my order right. Oh yeah. Technically they did, I guess. I don't know. I ain't see no shrimp. And I said steak and shrimp on the other one. When she told me they was out of state, I said, all right, give me chicken and shrimp. So we're supposed to have 2 chickens and shrimp. I don't know, man. I don't know, but it worked out for the good. That was crazy. This right here this is good, y'all. This is good. Like, for real. All disappointment to the side. Because it ain't none. Okay. Chow me down food truck. and Pascagoula. You hear them? Man, there's a lot of burritos be putting back, y'all. Well, what can I say? Finally found something to make that back big. Cause them wings, boy, I was tired of them. Soul food, boy, I got it. Don't worry about it. I'll do that. I'll take care of the soul food. But till next time, y'all. Like, keep growing with me. Keep growing with me. Like me. Keep growing with me. We growing places, y'all. We growing places, alright? And like I said, I got my decks coming. Well, I already got my decks. I got my new Oracle deck. And I got my new Tarot deck. And it's a it's a thing, you know what I'm saying? So for those out there who like them or whatever, tune in. Let's see what this talking about, because I don't know what it's talking about. I gotta look over these cards, cleanse them and stuff like that. It's gonna be fun for me. Y'all tune in. It's summer gonna be a time. These up and coming months is gonna be a time. Full moon in Scorpio. We finna get all this residue up out of us. Heal these emotions, y'all. Get through it. Get through it. Don't leave it unturned. If you feel it, acknowledge it. Get through it.
Call. Press the pickup button to answer.
Look at my kids.
Incoming call. Press the pickup button to answer. Incoming call.
Anyway, get through it. Okay? And we're just gonna see what this new cycle bring, y'all. Because that's what's happening.
Incoming call.
Let me answer this phone call. These children, yo.
Incoming call.
I'll see y'all later, okay? Bye.
Incoming.